everybody. Well, yep, I have little Apani today. And I know that, how do I say it? Little snakes aren't as exciting and whatever as, say, Jack and Lily is. But she's a part of my family and has opportunity to come out as much as my big guys do, and of course to do little videos with her, because she's growing slowly but surely, and little spotted pythons, and of course that is what Apani is, except she is patternless. If you can see, she does not have any spots like your normal spotted pythons do, and even like Maya, who is a blonde spotted, so it's much lighter between her bandings, but otherwise it looks very much like a normal beautiful spotted python. But what I wanted to talk about today, because it's fresh in my mind right now, is about maternal incubation. And right now I want to say congratulations to Jay from Jay's Balls, who allowed his ball python Penny to maternally incubate, and it's his first clutch as well. So a very special clutch, of course, but he decided to go with maternal incubation, and that's wonderful, Jay. I think this is what my video is about, is saying don't be afraid to try something different. Now, I know that Penny had 8 eggs, and 2 of them kind of died off while she was sitting on them, but the other 6 seemed to be doing well. And today he cut those eggs, day 62, and I've sort of watched the journey with I guess a lot of other people, and today was an exciting day where he decided to get them out and cut them and give Penny a break. 62 days of Mama sitting on the eggs, and Penny didn't eat, and a lot of snakes will not eat when they are maternally incubating their eggs. They will still continue to drink, but aren't so keen to eat. Some snakes will. Penny didn't. But anyway, today he cut them, and 5 of them looked amazingly great, and there was only one that he was concerned about that didn't look fully formed, and was a much smaller egg. So out of the 8 eggs, he got 5 viable, lovely babies. So congratulations, Jay, and good on you for doing it the natural way, especially for your first clutch. And I think that made it even more special. Well, it would for me, it did for me, to actually do it that way. You know, I understand people taking the eggs and putting them in incubators and wanting that good survival rate and so forth. I get that too, but hats off to those that decide to do you know, a maternal incubation as well. So can I say a lot about it, not having done it more than once in my life? No, probably not. And no, I didn't do it with ball pythons either. I did it with a female well, has to be a female, doesn't it? Coastal carpet python, and she only, for her first laid 10 eggs, and I allowed her to MI, and she did an amazing job. The only thing that you need to remember is the husbandry, fresh water every day, making sure that heat is perfect and the humidity. All those things need to be spot on for mum. She'll do the rest. They are amazing mums, even ball pythons. Carpet python eggs take about 55 days, roughly, to pip or hatch, and Lacey's was on the 60-day when one pipped, and then within 24 hours the rest were all pipping, and 10 beautiful, lovely babies appeared, and it was an amazing experience. Now, Lacey fed only a couple of times, or maybe 4 times during that, and that's what I said. Some will, some don't, but I offered. But I only offered fortnightly. I didn't offer every week. Lacey was a good weight and very healthy, and I didn't have any concerns about any weight loss. Of course, I didn't offer her big feeders either, but I had no concern about weight loss, and I knew that she would eat and she would put her weight back on. Now, why did I choose to do that? Kind of was a little bit of an accident, her getting pregnant, because she was in with Jack. So, silly me, but anyway, it happened. And I had to then go, okay, what do I do here? And I made the decision to MI. And it's not for everyone. But I can say, if you've never done it, why not? Why not give it a go? What is one out of maybe 50, or even the 5 females that you may have bred? And I do know little spotteds make beautiful mums for sitting on their eggs. And if I were to breed Apani or Maya, I would let them MI. They do well, maternally incubating their eggs, and little spotteds very rarely miss a meal when they're sitting on eggs. Not that I plan on breeding them. I can never say never, because I don't know what the future holds. But having experienced it once, and yeah, I worried about mum. I worried about the eggs. Lacey was incredible. I could go in, I could check those eggs. I could touch her. She didn't care. She didn't mind at all, because she was a very social snake before she had those babies. So, I guess the video is about maternal incubation. That it isn't as hard as what you think it is. And also to congratulate Jay on his new babies. And Penny looked amazing, absolutely amazing, for having sat on those eggs for 62 days. But she was obviously in good nick before she became gravid and sat on those eggs. So, good on you, Jay. So that's about it, guys. Think about it. Just once in your life, give it a go. Let one of your mamas do what mums are supposed to do, which is sit on her eggs and take care of her babies. So, from me and little Apani today, who you can see is very very easygoing. You know, they say little snakes are bitey little things. And no, she's not a baby anymore. She is, oh gosh, 18, 19 months old, I guess. So she's not the baby. But even when she was a little baby, she wasn't like that either. So, there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Always thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself, your family, your friends. We have wonderful friends in our lives. Our beautiful, beautiful snakes and all our animals. Ciao guys.